doing there?
He just won Roadies.
Well done,
congratulations,
guys.
अभी पिछले हफ्ते Roadies finale हुआ, and Prince won Roadies, and because of that, MTV thought to have him on Splitsvilla.
Also, he's Mr. Punjab 2014. Wow, that's fantastic.
Okay, I'll give you a little secret.
Okay, we have a secret coming from Sunny.
When the promos come, they'll show this part of that episode. He knows how to flex every single muscle in his back. It's insane. For all the ladies out there are going to go bonkers.
All of you are looking for that? You know what to do.
बहुत मुश्किल है अपना शर्ट अपने बदन पे रखना. इसके कुछ उदाहरण आपको इस शो में मिल जाएंगे, right? तो जैसे ही मौका मिलता है, मौका ना भी हो,
तो भी
देख लेना आप. So you have to watch out for that.
So that's our first contestant on MTV Splitsvilla Season 8, Prince Arula. Up next we have Viren.
Viren के बारे में दो तीन चीजें बोलना चाहूँगा. A man who has one code, and that code is honor. और कहीं ना कहीं इस journey पर
Watch out for Viren, guys. All right. Up next we have Utkarsh Gupta. Can we have Utkarsh here?
Sunny, Uttu is on stage. What do you want to do?
Well, as you all know, Utkarsh plays the character of Dhruv on MTV's Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and he's...
I know.
What is it?
It's a flip.
It's a flip. He dances his way to a woman's heart.
Really? Oh my God, check that out. Ladies, come on, a huge round of applause for Utkarsh. Thank you so much. Up next.
Utkarsh was the cutie of the house, not just for the girls, even for the boys. The boys are like, "Kitna cute hai sir, ye isko kya bole hum?" So I think that's his USP.
Well, up next we have Yash Pandit. Put your hands together for Yash, guys. Yash Pandit is a Bollywood and a television actor. He recently played the lead role in a popular TV show. Let's hear a little bit about Yash, guys.
Yash की journey में actually I'll throw this answer to Sunny, because she said a few things a few times about Yash, and they're the nicest things. So yeah, well, Sunny.
As everybody will see when they watch the show, Yash's character he's really quiet, and he's never been on a show like this before. He's never experienced some of the things that we've experienced emotionally, physically. And I was always in the Yash corner saying, Yash, I know you can do this. You are a strong person. You're a strong man. And we need you to step up to that. I wanted him to come outside of the shell that he was in.
One of the things that you'll see about Yash during the course of the show is that he has changed from what he was. जिस दिन वो आए थे, वो एक यश थे, और जिस दिन वो गए हैं, he was a different man. He changed, and that is one of the most I have goosebumps when I see this moments of this year's season when you realize what happened to you.
All right, that's Yash for you, ladies and gentlemen. Up next we have Ahmad Mintu. Yes. Ahmad is.
We have Ahmad तो आ रहा है, लेकिन उससे पहले उत्कर्ष mimicking what Ahmad is. एक बार हो जाए mimicking.
All right.
Come on.
Go.
Ahmad कैसे करता था?
You need a mic for it?
No, it's okay.
Just hand gestures, his body language.
Okay.
तो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि वो सही था, लेकिन तुम ही बोल लो यार.
Well, बहुत ही sweet है. He follows that by बहुत ही sweet है. A little bit about Ahmad. Ahmad was recently seen in the Yep Me TVC with Shah Rukh Khan and has done about 30 different commercials. Let's hear it for Ahmad, guys. Woo! And finally, we have Ishan Chipper. Yeah, all right. This guy's got swag. He's born in India but is brought up in the United Kingdom. International Day here, by the way. जी हाँ. You've modeled in the United Kingdom and done shows in London and Glasgow. That's pretty fantastic, man. How was Splitsvilla 8 for you?
Amazing. One of the best experiences of my life.
All right, let's hear it from the host. What do they have to say about him?
Ishan, move on.
Wait. Ishan का मुंह कभी बंद नहीं होता है. He's always like this.
एक ऐसा बंदा जो किसी भी situation में, he was like, मैं यहाँ पे मजे करने आया हूँ, मस्ती करने आया हूँ, और मैं मजे कर रहा हूँ. ज़्यादा stress नहीं लिया इसने, but जब इसका कुछ ऐसा connection हुआ, Stress तो आता है बेटे.
But जब stress आता था, मुंह बंद होता था.
All right. The only way to keep his mouth shut was when stress arrived. All right.
Okay,
So ladies,
before you send them, I want to do one small exercise that Sunny and me did. This is the surprise for Prasanna. She's like, what is he going to do? All right, we're going to play that song, जो इस साल का गाना है. And there's a bit of these steps that me and Sunny have done. All of you have to do that with me. All right, Sunny?
मैं भूल गई steps, but
You don't have to do it. वो चल रहा होगा. We'll tell them what to do. Start it from the beginning. We'll do the first verse. This is for brother, you.
how fantastic was that, guys? This is what Splitsvilla Season 8 is going to promise you, and a lot more, the way to a woman's heart. Thank you so much, gentlemen. We request you to please take gentlemen, other than one picture with everyone. Sorry, I thought that was done. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, boys. One. All right. All right. Okay, guys. Take the dil. Show the dil. guys, ये हम फिर से कर लेंगे बाद में. For now, guys, please. थोड़ा really, thambunza. बस बहुत हो रहा है, guys, please. Okay, we're gonna do this soon. Okay, we'll get the solos done first. Solos first, please. I love our media.